This is Leke Leke Waterfall. Hidden in the heart of Bali, it's a tranquil escape for nature lovers and adventure seekers alike. In this video, we will cover everything you need to know before you visit Leke Leke Waterfall, from its location and how to get there, to entry fees, the best time to visit, and some insider travel tips. Address and accessibility. Leke Leke Waterfall is located in Antapan village in the Tabanan region of Bali. Situated in a serene jungle setting, this natural gem is about an hour-and-a-half drive from Ubud and 2 hours from Denpasar or Ngurah Rai International Airport. The journey takes you through scenic countryside roads, offering a glimpse of Bali's lush landscapes. How to get there? Getting to Leke Leke Waterfall is relatively straightforward. You can rent a scooter or car or hire a private driver for your convenience. Once you arrive at the designated parking area, you'll find a ticket counter and a well-marked trail leading to the waterfall. The trek takes about 15 minutes and involves crossing a bamboo bridge and walking along a slightly steep but manageable path. Entry fee cost. The entry fee for Leke Leke Waterfall is 50,000 Indonesian rupiah per person, which is approximately $3 US. This fee helps maintain the facilities and supports the local community. What to do and see. Leke Leke Waterfall offers a range of activities for visitors. You can take a refreshing dip in the cool pool at the base of the falls, perfect for escaping Bali's tropical heat. The lush greenery and dramatic waterfall make it an Instagram-worthy spot, so don't forget your camera. For those who enjoy nature, the surrounding jungle trail provides a peaceful escape and a chance to immerse yourself in Bali's pristine environment. Best time to visit. The best time to visit Leke Leke Waterfall is during the dry season, which runs from April to October. This ensures the trail is dry and easy to navigate. Morning visits are ideal for avoiding crowds and enjoying the serene atmosphere. During the rainy season, from November to March, the waterfall is more powerful, but the trails can become slippery, so extra caution is advised. Nearby attractions. While you're in the Tabanan region, make sure to explore some nearby attractions. The Jatiluwih Rice Terraces, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, offer breathtaking views of Bali's iconic rice fields. Another must-visit is Tanah Lot Temple, a stunning sea temple known for its unique offshore setting and beautiful sunsets. Travel tips. Here are some tips to make your visit to Leke Leke Waterfall smooth and enjoyable. Wear sturdy shoes with good grip for the trek, as parts of the path can be uneven. Bring insect repellent, especially during the rainy season, and pack water to stay hydrated. If you plan to swim, carry a towel and a change of clothes. Lastly, respect the natural surroundings by disposing of trash properly and following the rules at the site. And that's our travel guide to Leke Leke Waterfall. We hope this inspires you to visit this hidden paradise in Bali. If you have any questions or need more tips, drop us a comment below. As locals from Bali, we're here to help. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next adventure.
Bali, the island of gods, where the sky and soul applaud. Mountains high and forests deep, dreams awake where hearts can leap. Fields of green and endless rows, sacred streams where water flows. played with love and grace. Harmony in every space. Fragrant winds, they carry prayer. Magic lingers in the air. Bali, the island of gods, where the sky and soul applaud. Mountains high and forests deep, dreams awake where hearts can leap. Fragrant winds, they carry prayer. Magic lingers in the air. Fragrant winds, they carry prayer. Magic lingers in the air. Bali, the island of gods, where the sky and soul applaud. Mountains high and forests deep, dreams awake where hearts